Are you hungry? Make some dumplings with me. Cut up your potatoes, add some salt, or try to, like me. Didn't really work out, but I tried. And start boiling those potatoes. In the meantime, cut up an onion. Yeah, cut up an onion. And saute that in some oil until it's golden brown. That'll make our potatoes real flavorful, trust me. I was going to put a joke in here about the betrayal. Yeah, I should definitely try that tomorrow. Anyways, melt your butter in some boiling water and add salt. And then add flour. Slowly, because you don't want clumps. You need to use boiling water. That makes the dough real nice and sticky. It makes it pliable, stretchy, easy to work with. We need that for dumplings. Once you've added most of your flour, I meant all of your flour. Keep whisking it until it becomes too hard to whisk, and then switch to using your hands. Add an egg before you do that, and then switch to using your hands, so it's extra gross. Once you've incorporated the egg well, keep adding flour until it reaches the right consistency. And the right consistency is basically not too sticky, stretchy. Here's a video, just look at it. Let it rest for half an hour, because it's tired. In the meantime, make your mashed potatoes, add the onions, and then we're ready to shape our dumplings. Grab a piece of dough and roll it out until it's about 3 millimeters thick. And cut out your onion wrappers with something circular and round. I'm using a cookie cutter though. And then you'll have very nice uniform dumpling wrappers. Look at them. There they are. Make sure your potatoes have cooled down a little before you start doing this if you don't want to burn your fingers. And just put the dumpling filling in the middle of the wrapper and connect the two sides. How hard can it be? But here you go. Here's a demonstration. Because we've all been there, you know. We've all been there. It's okay. And then you're ready to freeze most of them and eat some of them, or the other way around. Depends on how hungry you are. Season it with some pepper and add some butter and some, oh my god, sour cream. You know, it's really good. Just trust me. It's delicious. Eat it.